solution and explanation for your topic. Shopify Dropshipping, domain versus subdomain, what's better? 1. What is a domain? A domain is your main website address, like www.mystore.com. This is what people remember, type in, and share. 2. What is a subdomain? A subdomain is like a section of your main domain, such as store.mestore.com. It appears before your domain name and is often used for blogs, help centers, or separate stores. Domain versus subdomain, which is better for dropshipping. Feature: domain, subdomain. Domain professional look. Very professional. Looks secondary or technical. Trust and branding. Builds brand authority, weaker branding. SEO benefits, better overall like. Treated as separate by Google user trust, higher, lower, looks less official. Ease of setup in Shopify, simple and default. Needs manual setup. Best for main dropshipping store, side projects, testing, or blogs. Conclusion, final recommendation. Use a custom domain like www.yourbrand.com for your Shopify dropshipping store. It gives higher credibility, better SEO, stronger brand identity, easier integration with email and marketing. Avoid using subdomains like store.yourbrand.com unless you're testing a new niche, you have a blog or separate language store, you're using Shopify for a section of a bigger website. If you'd like a shorter version for voiceover